Welcome to part 4 of the Get to Know Sports Series. Get to know volleyball. 10 questions, 3 potential answers, and 10 seconds on the clock. Are you ready? Let's go. How many players are on a volleyball team? Six. What is the name of the first hit in volleyball? Serve. What is the maximum number of hits per side? Three. What part of the hand is used to perform a spike? Fingertips. What is the height of a volleyball net for men? .43 meters. What is the height of a volleyball net for women? .24 meters. What term describes a hard, fast attack? Spike. How many sets must a team win to win a match? Three. Which position serves the ball? Back row. What term describes a player who can play any back row position? Libero. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.